Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. It's really open and free for anyone to take advantage of, but during the summer months, high school and college students can really get a jump on things with the free online courses IBM offers through Open P-Tech. And badges are offered for certification in a range of subjects, including artificial intelligence and Python. Guillermo Miranda is the global head of IBM Corporate Social Responsibility.
Some of the key contents on one area, workplace learning, how to interact in the new workplace. And on the other side, how to have the foundational skills about AI, blockchain, Internet of Things.
Again, the courses are free, and you can learn more at ibm.com/skills. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.